Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today I want to show you something super neat. We've got some floodlights with the wiring harness that comes for it. The floodlights are super bright. You won't be able to see them until we get them powered up. This is the harness for them though. Comes with the fuse already in it. You don't have to worry about going out and getting one. That right there. This is where this plugs into. Just like that. Take that out of there. It's even got a little switch. And of course, you've got the areas to hook up to your battery. All tucked in here, nice and neat. Red for positive, black for negative. That's basic. I probably don't have to tell you that. So if you need these parts or any other parts, you can always check us out at 1aauto.com. Thanks.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.